A journey through Ethiopia's history, culture, and heritage. Welcome to Unity Park. One of Ethiopia's most remarkable landmarks, a place where history, culture, nature, and national pride come together. Located in the heart of Addis Ababa, Unity Park sits within the historic grounds of the Grand National Palace, also known as Menelik Palace. For more than a century, this area served as the center of political power in Ethiopia and was inaccessible to most citizens. Today, it has been transformed into a public park that allows Ethiopians and visitors from around the world to experience the country's rich heritage. Our journey begins in the late 19th century with Emperor Menelik II, the founder of modern Addis Ababa. Menelik established his palace on these hills overlooking the growing city. From this location, many of the most important decisions in Ethiopian history were made. The palace became the residence of emperors and later the workplace of national leaders. For generations, ordinary citizens could only imagine what existed behind the palace walls. The grounds remained largely closed to the public. That changed in 2019 when Unity Park officially opened its gates, giving Ethiopians the opportunity to explore this historic site for the first time. As visitors enter the park, they are greeted by beautifully landscaped gardens, walking paths, fountains, and panoramic views of Addis Ababa. The design combines modern development with historical preservation, creating an environment where visitors can learn, relax, and reflect. One of the most significant attractions within Unity Park is the restored palace complex. These buildings offer a glimpse into Ethiopia's imperial past. Visitors can walk through halls that once hosted emperors, diplomats, military leaders, and international guests. Among the most impressive structures is the throne hall. This historic room symbolizes the authority and sovereignty of the Ethiopian state. Here, visitors can imagine the ceremonies and meetings that shape the nation's destiny. Another important building is the banquet hall, known as Jibir Adarash. This magnificent structure was used for official receptions and celebrations. Its architecture reflects Ethiopia's unique blend of traditional and modern influences. Throughout the palace grounds, exhibits display historical artifacts, photographs, manuscripts, and personal items belonging to Ethiopia's leaders. These collections help tell the story of a nation that maintained its independence during an era when much of Africa was colonized. Unity Park also celebrates Ethiopia's cultural diversity. Ethiopia is home to more than 80 ethnic groups, each with its own language, traditions, and customs. The cultural village within the park showcases traditional houses and architectural styles from different regions of the country. Visitors can learn about the lifestyles, history, and heritage of Ethiopia's many communities. This section of the park reminds us that Ethiopia's strength comes from the diversity of its people and cultures. Another popular attraction is the Ethiopian History Museum. The museum presents the story of Ethiopia from ancient times to the modern era. Exhibits explore the rise of ancient kingdoms, the spread of Christianity, the development of trade routes, and the achievements of Ethiopian leaders throughout history. The museum also highlights important events, such as the Battle of Adwa in 1896. This historic victory against Italian colonial forces became a symbol of African resistance and inspired people across the continent and beyond. Nature lovers will find much to enjoy at Unity Park as well. The park contains carefully maintained gardens featuring indigenous plants and colorful flowers. These green spaces provide a peaceful escape from the busy streets of Addis Ababa. The park is also home to a small zoo that features several species native to Ethiopia. One of its most famous residents is the Ethiopian black-maned lion, a majestic animal that has long been associated with Ethiopian identity and history. Visitors may also encounter zebras, gelada baboons, various bird species, and other wildlife. Educational displays help guests understand the importance of conservation and protecting Ethiopia's unique natural heritage. As the sun begins to set over Addis Ababa, the park offers breathtaking views of the capital city. From its elevated location, visitors can see the city's expanding skyline, historic landmarks, and surrounding mountains. These views serve as a powerful reminder of Ethiopia's journey, from an ancient civilization to a modern nation striving toward development and prosperity. The name Unity Park carries a special meaning. It reflects the idea that Ethiopia's future depends on bringing together people from different backgrounds, cultures, and regions. The park stands as a symbol of national unity, shared history, and common purpose. Beyond its historical significance, Unity Park has become an important destination for tourism, education, and recreation. Families, students, researchers, and international visitors come here to learn about Ethiopia's past while imagining its future. The park has also helped preserve important historical buildings that might otherwise have deteriorated over time. Through restoration and conservation efforts, future generations will be able to experience these treasures firsthand. Today, Unity Park is more than a tourist attraction. It is a living museum, a cultural center, a conservation area, and a symbol of national pride. It connects Ethiopia's past with its present and inspires hope for the future. Whether you are interested in history, architecture, wildlife, culture, or simply enjoying beautiful surroundings, Unity Park offers a unique experience unlike any other in Ethiopia. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Unity Park. We hope this visit has deepened your appreciation for Ethiopia's remarkable heritage and the enduring spirit of its people. Until next time, goodbye from Addis Ababa and Unity Park, where history, culture, and unity come together.